I thought I'd start dismantling my scrollpHAT fake Alexa inside the coffee can. I've already done a video on this, so what I want to do is reuse the Pi Zero. Yet to decide what to use it for. Got a couple of ideas, but yeah, just going to take this apart. So you probably may have already seen the other video where I made it and did the web scraping. So yeah, let's get dismantling it. Take the top off first. There we go. And there you can see the on-off button. It was an off button really because it was just to power down the Pi safely. So yeah, let's just see if we can undo that. I seem to have done it up a bit too tightly, but there we go. Quite a handy button, this one, so I might reuse it. You corrupt the SD card if you just power your Pi off. It's quite well known that. Don't want to tell you how to suck eggs or anything, but there we go. Yeah, so I extended that a little bit. I just soldered those extra connections on. And here we go. Pi Zero was inside, and I stuffed the power supply in through a hole in the back as well, as you can see. Just take that out. There we go. So there's the contents. There is the Pi, the scrollpHAT, and the button. Oh, and the buzzer. Just free the power supply. Take that out of the can. There we go. Just going to unplug the pins there, so you can see on the bottom row of pins on the Pi, that's where the on-off button connected to. The scrollpHAT uses I2C, so it only actually uses 2 GPIO pins, which is quite handy. Left plenty of spare ones. So let's unplug. There we go. So we now have a button. Just going to unplug the buzzer as well. So there we go. We now have a buzzer. Just 2-wire piezo buzzer. And there is the scrollpHAT in all its glory. So we've got ground, unplug that. We've got the, I think it was 3.3 volts, unplug that. And then unplug the 2 GPIOs. So we now have Pi Zero, scrollpHAT, on-off button, push button switch, buzzer. And I'm just going to bring this across. These are all my other little bits which I'm thinking of using in the next project. So this is the temperature thermistor that came with the sensors cam jam kit. Also, what else came with it? Oh yeah, this came with it. I've lost the cover, but it's the PIR, which motion detection. Still worked when I did the first project with it. Those two LEDs came with a cam jam edu kit too as well. So yeah, just having a think about what to do for the next project. May do temperature, use this, display the temperature on here, and probably use the on-off switch again. Might do some web scraping again, now I know how to do it. And don't know where I'll put that there. That's from my other Pi. I tend to keep all the boxes. I think they'll be worth something one day. I don't think so. Still got my Pi 1 as well. Yeah, so if you like, subscribe, stay tuned, and in a day or two, maybe after the weekend, I'm off to cricket on Sunday. Yeah, so in a day or two, there'll be another project. What I'll probably do is just upload the start of it, and then you can follow its progress. So yeah, have a good weekend everybody, and come back soon.